One of the critical factors coming into play in the Oahu real estate market is affordability. Even though prices are surprisingly reasonable in many places, Hawaii has never been an inexpensive place to buy a home. And with prices approaching record levels, it's becoming increasingly expensive and less affordable. Now, median prices tend to fluctuate from month to month, so for the following examples, I'm averaging median prices over the previous 3 months. In February of 2014, last year, the 3-month average median price single-family home on Oahu was $819,000. Of course, the average was much less for condos, about $357,000, but let's stay with the single-family home for now. Interest rates on a 30-year fixed-rate loan at that time were about 4.2%, which means if you bought that median price home that month with, say, 20% down, $163,800, your principal and interest payment would have been $3,204. In February of 2015, this year, and a year later, the 3-month average median price of a single-family home on Oahu was $908,000. That's almost 11% more than a year ago. If you bought that median price house this year, you'd have been out of pocket an additional $17,800 to make that 20% down payment. The good news is that interest rates were actually lower this year, running about 3.7% in February, so your mortgage payment would have been $3,343, about $139 a month more for the same house. So the cost of waiting just 1 year would be $17,800, that's the additional down payment money, plus $139 a month for 30 years, which if you did the multiplication comes up to more than $50,000. Of course, you'd probably not stay in that house for the full 30 years, but still the cost of a 12-month delay in this market could push the limits of affordability. So the question of the moment is this: what are you waiting for? If you've dreamed of owning a piece of this wonderful place we call home, now is the best time, and it may be the last time to do it. If you've been thinking of selling and trading up, now is when you'll get the most for your money. Next year, you'll be looking at even more cash out of pocket to buy the same house and a payment that will almost certainly be higher. Give us a call at Help You Sell Honolulu Properties, and for goodness sake, let's get started.
Help You Sell Honolulu Properties is a full-service real estate company that provides exceptional service while charging less than ordinary realtors. We've been successfully helping buyers and sellers all over Oahu for more than 12 years, and we'd be delighted to help you achieve your housing dreams.